Hello, this is Miss Mary Ann, and this is week 6 of our summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. And the story this week is a folk tale. And a folk tale is a story that has been told to different cultures, and it's been passed down from generation to generation. And then recently, people have heard these stories, written them down, and they put them in books. The story that I'm going to be doing, folktale I'm going to be doing today, is Zomo the Rabbit. And this is a trickster tale from West Africa, and it was written by Gerald McDermott. The illustrations are quite colorful in this book. Zomo the Rabbit. He is not big. He is not strong, but he is very clever. Time was, Zomo wanted more than cleverness. He wanted wisdom. He went to the sky god and he asked for it. Zomo, it is not so simple, said the sky god. To get wisdom, you must earn it. You can see the sky god coming down to talk to him. How? Asked Zomo. You must do 3 impossible things, answered the sky god. First, bring me the scales of big fish in the sea. Second, bring me the milk of wild cow. Third, bring me the tooth of leopard. I will try, said Zomo. Zomo went to the edge of the sea. He began to play his drum. He played so loud that his drum beats went down to the bottom of the sea. And deep below, big fish heard the music of the drum. Big fish came up out of the water. He danced on the sand. Faster and faster, Zomo beat his drum. Faster and faster, Big Fish danced. Big Fish danced so fast, his scales fell off. Big Fish was naked. Splash! He jumped back into the sea. Quickly, Zomo scooped up the fish scales in his hat and he hopped back into the forest. In the forest, Zomo climbed a palm tree. He looked all around, and then he saw a wild cow. Ha, laughed Zomo. You're not so big. You're not so strong. Who is that laughing at me? Asked Wild Cow. It is me, called Zomo. I say you are not even strong enough to knock down this little tree. Wild Cow got angry. She ran at the tree to knock it down. What do you think's going to happen? Thump! She hit that tree. But the palm tree was soft, and her horns got stuck. Quickly, Zomo slid down the tree. He turned his drum upside down, and he filled it with milk. By the time Wild Cow got unstuck, Zomo was far away. Let's see, he has two things now. He has fish scales and milk. What does he have to get next? Zomo took the path to the top of the high hill. It was the hill where Leopard walked every day. Zomo tipped his hat, and he sprinkled a few fish scales on the path. Zomo tipped the drum, and he spilled a few drops of milk on the path. Then Zomo went to the bottom of the hill, and he hid behind a rock. Soon, Leopard came walking over the hill. He slipped on the slippery scales and the milk, and he rolled down the hill. Bump! Leopard hit the rock, and his tooth popped out. Up jumped Zomo, and he caught that tooth. Quickly, he hopped away. Zomo took the scales of Big Fish, the milk of Wild Cow, and the tooth of Leopard to Sky God. Sky God smiled upon Zomo. "You are clever enough to do the impossible," he said. "Now, I will give you wisdom." Sky God spoke, and Zomo listened. 3 things in this world are worth having: courage, good sense, and caution, said Sky God. "Little rabbit, you have lots of courage, a bit of sense, but no caution. So next time you see the big fish or wild cow or leopard, better run fast." Are they angry? Zomo is not big. Zomo is not strong. But now Zomo has wisdom, and he is very, very fast. Good thing he's fast. Hope he learned his lesson. What we are going to make today is a mask of Sky God. And here's mine here, you can see it. What I've done is used markers, and I've sort of outlined different spaces, made different shapes, and then I decorated with some feathers on the top. And it is a mask, so if you want, you can wear it, or maybe you just want to hang it up somewhere. But that's what we're going to do this week, is make Sky God. So you'll need markers, which I hope you all have at home. And then you have a mask here. And you'll get a piece of elastic, if you can see that, and you can put that into your mask. Color him, and then everybody has 4 feathers that they can add to their mask. Each kid has slightly different color feathers, but they're all very, very nice. So hope you will enjoy doing that. I also have a few activity sheets for you to do. And there is a picture, so you can get a little idea there. So you have a word search again, and this is Once Upon a Time search. So there are words from different fairy tales or folk tales that you have to find. And then there's a coloring sheet from the tortoise and the hare to do. So I hope you enjoy those. And as I mentioned, this is week 6, which is our last week of summer reading program. So next week is our grand finale. So I hope that you will turn in your reading logs by Monday with all the time, the title of the books, or the time that you have been reading, so I can see those. Next week at Deltaville on Tuesday at 10:30, we will be meeting as usual, and it will be our grand finale. So I'll read a story, maybe we'll sing a couple songs, and what I'll do is have books that you can choose, and I have bags for you with a few goodies in it to take home. And I will be announcing the top 3 winners of each age group. So first, second, and third place for 2.5 to rising first grade. Then I'll announce first, second, and third place for rising second and third grade, and first, second, and third place for rising 4th and 5th grade. So Tuesday in Deltaville at 10:30, Wednesday in Urbana at 10:30 as usual. And I hope to see you there. And everyone, as I said, will be receiving a book to take home, their choice, and we have special bags for you. So hope to see you there, and make sure you get your logs in by Monday, August 3rd. Bye-bye.